Hello and welcome to the US Visas community. My name is I, and I am an E2 visa investor that got approved 2 years ago, and now I am building a community for future immigrants and entrepreneurs. Before we start, a little sneak peek about the community. Yes, the community will always be available for free, and the value that you're gonna get in this community is gonna be way above $10,000 due to all my checklists, business plans, and even legal discounts with our partner attorneys. But before we start talking about more details of this community, let's start with some numbers. I helped over 40 individuals from 16 different countries just last year to get approved for their US visa. Just like Priya, Derek, Aaron, Lena, Azim, Natalie, Carlos, Imran, and many, many more. And the question is, are you the next one? The reality of my journey looked like this. I spent over $110,000 for my E2 visa, and it took me more than 8 months to get it approved, and there were even more money wasted after the visa approval. What went wrong? I rushed the wrong decisions, clearly. I spent too early on the wrong things and waited too long on key factors. I underestimated the business reality because doing business in the United States was nothing as in my home country. So I realized that this is not just a visa project. This is a real business with real risks. So this is why I built the community, to show you exactly what works, what I've done wrong, what saved time and money, and also what helps the visa and the business. You might ask yourself, oh, I'm not a business owner. I don't want to be a business owner. Is there any other way that I can benefit from this community? Yes, of course, this community is clearly structured around my experience, which is the E2 visa path. And 50% of people that I'm talking to on a daily basis are trying to get to the United States with the E2 visa. So there is a focus on this as well. But this is going to be for E2 applicants, but also for all other visa explorers. So it doesn't matter if you already have an attorney, you have already started a business, or even if you don't know where are you right now and which visa is the best for you. And this is clearly for any founders and investors and people that are serious about building a future in the United States. It doesn't matter if it's an immigrant or a non-immigrant visa. We also support with employment visas, talent visas, hardship cases, family and legal strategies, and all this validated by our attorneys. We have gained over 15 new attorney partnerships the last year for all our immigration cases. You will always stay informed and never confused by the big headlines. All visa changes and restrictions, everything is validated by our immigration attorneys, and there's no outdated blogs and no random advice that you will ever see there. There are going to be 2 membership options. A free plan where you can learn, ask, and connect with others. And there's going to be a premium plan where you get more structure, more strategy, and even more legal access. So what's in there for free? You will get my E2 checklist. This checklist cost me over $6,000 because this is the retainer that I paid to my attorney. And then I finally received this checklist, and you will get it for free. Discussions with others. Of course, you can learn the basics and learn everything about all other visa criteria and pathways. The premium version has more step-to-step roadmaps, attorney sessions exclusively, and even discounts with our partner attorneys. So whenever you decide to go through that path and you meet an attorney, go through us and you will get discounts. And you will get my fully developed business plan framework that costs usually over $2,500. But as I said, no pressure at all. Start for free, stay, learn, ask around and interact, and upgrade only if and when it makes sense to you. This community will give you real guidance, no fluff, and no expensive mistakes. As I said in the beginning, with the knowledge that I have right now, I could have spent over $40,000 less for my same case. That's a lot of money. And now it's a question, are you ready to build your future the right way for the United States? If so, join the community. You are in the right place.